You wake up already tired. Your phone is in your hand before your feet touch the floor. You tell yourself you will start after breakfast, after one more scroll. The day moves, but you do not. Tabs stay open, thoughts pile up, tasks wait quietly, judging nothing, just waiting. You sit down to work and feel busy without doing anything. You reread the same line. You refresh the same app. You check the time like it might save you. You are not confused about what to do. You are confused about why you are not doing it. You promise yourself tomorrow will be different. You promise yourself again at night. You mean it every time. Then tomorrow shows up wearing the same clothes. It is not laziness. It is not lack of talent. It is not that you do not care. You care so much it hurts. You feel it when you see other people moving forward. You feel it when you remember what you said you would become. You feel it when the day ends and nothing really happened. Not a disaster, just another quiet miss. Comfort whispers that you deserve a break. Distraction offers something easier. Routine keeps things familiar. Delay tells you there is time. Tomorrow promises everything without asking for anything back. None of them are loud. That's why they work. You are not broken. You are surrounded. You still have potential sitting right there, untouched. You still know what matters. You still feel that pull towards something better. But here's the truth. Motivation was never supposed to carry you. It's unstable. It comes and goes. It asks to feel good before acting. And this is where everything changes. The people who change their lives do not feel different. They decide different. They stop asking, do I feel like it? They start asking, who do I respect being? Discipline is not punishment. It is self-respect in motion. It is choosing yourself before comfort chooses for you. It is doing the small thing even when no emotion shows up to help. It is acting without negotiating with your mood. Discipline is control, not over the world, over your response to it. It is power you do not borrow from inspiration. It is freedom you earn quietly. Freedom from the constant mental noise. Freedom from starting over every Monday. Freedom from needing a perfect moment to begin. When you act with discipline, something shifts. You trust yourself a little more. You waste less energy arguing with your own mind. You stop waiting to feel ready. Nothing dramatic happens at first. No fireworks, no sudden confidence, just a calm sense that you did what you said you would do. That feeling grows, not loud, steady. And one day you realize you are no longer trying to fix your life. You are simply living it differently. So here's the quiet question you cannot ignore. When the moment comes, today, not tomorrow, when comfort offers an excuse and discipline asks for one small action, which one do you answer?